Thank you, Miss Fania. First, I apologize in advance because I was in the hospital. I turned down my voice. Thank you very much. And then, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am first introducing myself. My name is Esther Yuyati Christina Purba. I am a Master Chemistry Education student at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I will present the result of my research and the development of a modules oriented to science literacy for high school students. In introduction, immediately from the title, it is motivated by development of science and technology has significantly impacted education. This demand change in the education system to produce qualified and skilled human resources. One skill that focus on current learning, especially chemistry learning, is 21st century skill. One of the skill that is very important to pay attention to so that students can apply science appropriately is science literacy skills. Science literacy is identifying, obtaining, explaining, and including scientific information and phenomena based on scientific facts. Program for International Student Assessment PISA is an assessment program organized by the Organization for Economic Comparative and Development (OECD) that aims to evaluate the education system by measuring student performance in secondary education, especially in three main areas: mathematics, science, and literacy. And the PISA result of student in Indonesia in 2018 with score ranking from 396. This figure is still far from the average OECD member country of 489, which show that students' science literacy is still relatively low. One of the factors that cause low science literacy skills in the section of learning resources. And then uh, methodology in development of a module, design development research Rickey and Klein 2010. Stage of a method. This method has three main stages: design, development, and evolution. It's aim to development and procedure teaching materials like green chemistry and modules on science literacy oriented plastic waste. The study participants were 10 grade 10 students from one of the high school in Bandung City, three chemistry teacher, and two expert lecturer who served as validator. Data collection technique, the technique including observation test and documentation, as well as instruments such as reliability test and student response questionnaire. And then the data collection from the reliability test was converted into score, while the questionnaire result were analyzed using a Scala Likert, and the result of a module validation were used as input for a module improvement. And then the result one, the design at the stage preliminary research using a questionnaire found that the teaching materials were mainly textual based on the test problem. Students need teach dependent and quite with supporting material, especially green chemistry material. At the design stage, this is done by designing all component of the module teaching materials, including the formula of indicator that are adjusted to base learning outcome, the Pancasila learner profile, the 2018 PISA scientific literacy aspect, and then the independent curriculum syllabus, as well as collecting sources relate to chemical content and context on the topic of plastic waste that support student understanding and science literacy skills. And then stage of development, the stage development module is completed fully based on the module and refer to Kemendikbud 2017. And then evaluation this stage is carrying out with a validity test to determine the expert assessment of the development designs. The DIPNAS 2008. The validation result show that a module development is occurred dense and with the assessment criteria, but some need improvement, such as handle improvement, image clarity, and the use of activities. And the assessment was conducted by conducting a reliability test, and reliability test result of were 60%, and of the loss score and 8% of the high score, which means that a module of development has a high level of reliability. And the result of student response using a questionnaire show presentation obtaining of 82.3%, where the student respond to the development modules is perfect from the aspect of the display is quite exciting and strike forward. The material present is well right and coherent so that it is easy to understand. And the conclusion from this research, it can be concluded that the development modules are visible teaching materials in school, complementing green chemistry material on science literacy-oriented plastic waste in chemistry learning. To the modules was development considering indicators and learning objectives focused on science literacy has met the validation criteria is easy understood by students and is attractive and practical. And the module can potential improve students' literacy in chemistry learning. And then it is a reference. The following are some the reference used in the this research. Here you can see the result of a module I have development entitled a module green chemistry on plastic waste oriented of science literacy. You can send the barcode in the following image. And then okay, that's all the presentation of my research result. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully this research will be helpful and will add to knowledge of all ladies and gentlemen. Please apologize if there are any mistakes. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. See you all.